So the technique we're going to focus on now is the spinning hammer fist. And I prefer this to the back fist because you're really hitting with the back of your fist, you're going to hurt your hand. So we're going to hit with the actual hard part from the wrist even further down. Okay, so this move is basically the same as all other spinning techniques. We can pivot or we can step. Okay, I like to step on this. This is a great move to have a setup if you miss a technique. And I'm stepping over, and I'm back facing, I turn, I have my shoulder protecting my face, and from here, I want my fist to be on this angle here. So it comes around, because this is a safer place for your fist. So as I step back facing, shoulder protecting the shin, and here. Now, you can actually follow through, as I step, I can follow through and just continue my step, or this is actually a really effective method. You can step and just come right back. Okay? There's variations on each scenario. So we're going to face each other for this. So I step over, turn, back facing, and like I said, this is a much safer position for your fist to hit. Okay? Or we can pivot. Okay? I want to make sure and spot my target before I go, because your opponent may not be there anymore. Okay, you want to try? Turning, facing, that's it. And yeah, there you go, you can fall through. So that is the basics of the spinning hammer fist, and I can't stress this enough. We're going to work in many setups for this move, but really hitting with the back of your fist is actually a very tender part of your fist. Hammer fist, even if we're here, maybe you get a little closer, even if I hit with this, the bone on the arm, or down further to the elbow, it's fine. Keep your arm a little bit bent so you're not hyperextending. So real fast, we're just going to show the position of the feet. In case you haven't seen it before, this is your first video that you're watching with our channel. So as we can put our weight on our back, okay, and this is the pivot, okay, and then I rotate. Okay, my favorite on this is the step. I'm just stepping over and then turning my hips, and I'm back facing, and I throw the technique from here. So the application of the spinning hammer fist. I like this as a defensive maneuver, but I also like this when you miss a punch. It has so many applications. We're going to get into another one later. But one of the things I like to do is miss a hook. Okay, I know this is a little cliche, but I'm going to miss a hook. Okay, step in and come around. Exactly. So also, it is also an amazing counter if he punches. Okay. Now here is a perfect example of why I love this move so much. As far as range, even if I don't hit him with the back of the fist, I can still hit him with the back of the arm. People get KO'd with this all the time, okay? Now notice how my other hand is guarding my face. But this is amazing if you miss a move, okay? Stepping through. But mainly, I love this as a counter because I'm actually turning with him and going, okay? Obviously, we're showing this very slowed down because you have to be very careful with this move. But as he's punching, I'm stepping out, coming around.